In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional 3D website for free within 5 minutes with adding different links and redirecting it to different website or web pages, whatever you want, or you may also redirect it directly to your different social media platforms like the way you're seeing. So I'm going to show you step by step how you also can create with proper navigation menu. So make sure you stick to me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. First, go to canva.com and create a free account. After coming here, in the search bar, you'll have to type website and enter. They will give you many suggestions here. Okay. Now, filter option, and you have different categories as well. If you want to get the website for a particular category, you can go for that. For the time being, I am creating a website for my own courses, right? So I will come a little downwards and check if any website is appealing to me. I want it on a dark theme, so I will be choosing this. This is a free template, okay? Anybody can create this. Now, once you choose one template, you will be getting many similar kind of templates under this. You may choose any one of it. For the time being, I'm sticking to this template only. Now, go to customize this template. Here, first thing is you will have to remove all these logos and you will have to give your own logo. For this, go to this upload section. If you have a logo, then you can just go to upload section, go to upload image, and you can upload your logo. Okay, I already have uploaded, so I will just go to search bar and type my company name VAGPE and enter, and let's see if my logo appears. Yes, my logo has come here, so I will check my logo. Now next, I will go to element section and I will grab a frame. I will have to type frame. Okay, and I will take this round frame. Now I will just bring it here and it will kind of get stuck inside. Okay, now to change the logo's color a little bit and make it little popped up, I will go to this edit image option. You can go to this filter option, and if any filter matches you, like for me Capri filter matches, so I will take Capri filter. I will go back and I will go to adjustment. I'll make it little more bluish and little more brighter. That is perfect. Okay, now you can change all these contents. Okay, first I will bring my logo here. Now one thing is I want to keep it aligned in the middle, so I will select the box and go to this middle alignment. Okay, now this one, to make it pop up, I will take another frame and I will go to this option, element option again, and give gradient video. Okay, now I will get different gradient videos. You can take any of these. This one would go better. So I will just take this logo, this gradient, and I will bring it at the back, make it little smaller. Now, how to get it back? Keeping this selected, go to this position option, go to layer. Now just drag it down the VAGPE layer. Okay, now select VAGPE layer. I'll make it little bigger. Okay, and then select both of them together and group them. Okay, I will go to text option and I will take, these are my fonts. So how to get the brand font that I have shown in some other video, you'll be getting that video's link in the top right hand side corner info I button, as well as in the description. You may go and check that. I will type VAGPE. Now here you can change anything. Okay, you can change this text. You can write anything. At this moment I'm not writing anything. Here in these boxes also you can write anything. You can double click and you can write anything, like maybe your description or about your company. You can write that. Okay, now here I would be pasting a couple of courses of mine. So I will delete first these three things. I will change these services to courses we offer, and here I will drag and drop a couple of course thumbnails. So I will go to upload section again and I will take a couple of course thumbnails. Let's suppose this one is one course on video to anime. Okay, this is one course which VAGPE Media offers. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Here I will right click on this learn more button and I will go to link option. Okay, here in this bar I will go to my course. Wherever I have my course, it can be a Google Drive link also, any link would do. It can be a YouTube video link also. If you have created a course in YouTube video, in the form of YouTube video, that link also can be given. Well, I have my genuine courses, so I will copy that link and I will paste that. Okay, now I will same way right click on the second one. I will copy that link. I'm just for demonstration purpose I'm quickly doing it, but you will have to do it genuinely so that your actual link, actual page appears, whether it is a course page or maybe a YouTube video, whatever you are selling, or it can be a e-commerce shop link. Okay, now like this, once it is done, go to done. Now all these three are linked. I will show you in a while how does it look. Okay, like this. Now you can change all these. Suppose if I don't want this video, I will right click on this video, detach video. Okay, it will come out. You can change this video to anything. Let's suppose I go to elements again and I give AI. Okay, and I will go to videos. I will get different AI related videos. So since my channel is all about AI, I would like to take this one. Okay, you can take any other video. Again, right click. You will have to give related video, so you can get any topics video here. Okay, I will take this one. It's a kind of cartoonish video. Let's suppose I want to show this one. Okay, you can also give a trial video. I'll just delete this. I don't want this one. This one is basically my my ad video which I use, actual ad video. Okay, now here some company's name I would like to give, so I will make it short like so. You can change all these contents. Okay, you will have to change all this content. If you have certain products of certain companies with whom you have worked with, then you can change. These sections are changeable. I'll show you how you can add some other sections as well. Let me grab some companies which whom I have worked with. Okay, so you can change. I'm not changing this. Okay, these are the placeholders which I have added. Now suppose I want to add one section. Okay, if I want to add one section here, what do? I will go to design section, and here you either get some templates. You can want, if you want, you can add some templates. Let's suppose I want to use this blob, okay, or this one, okay, this particular one. So I will go to add. As soon as I give add, it will automatically apply. Now it will ask whether you want all 6 pages or only these pages. So if you want, you can have this, you can change all these 6 pages, or else you can add it like this. Now if I want another additional page, then I will have to go to this add page option, and then I will have to add this. Okay, then only it will come. Otherwise on the page where you are selecting, it will appear in that page. Okay, like this you can also add the link for your social media. Let's suppose if I want to add a Facebook link, again right click on social media icon, go to link, and you can give the link of your YouTube channel or Facebook. Now one more section I want to add by going to layouts. What is layouts? In case you are not getting satisfactory result in template, you suppose you want exactly one particular type of layout. Let's suppose I want a customer review layout. Okay, so in that case I will go to layout option. I will add one page first, then I will take this customer review section and I will just bring it little upwards. Now here you can add your customer's image and customer's reviews, actual reviews, okay, and this way you can use it. Let's suppose I have one customer review. One customer review, you can give it a name, okay, you can change these things. So I'm not changing at this moment, but you will have to change all this. Now I can go to this element section, or you can come a little downwards. You should be getting a photo section. Okay, and here you can add star rating also. You can go to element section and here you type star. Okay, you get different stars option. You can take any star. I'm taking this one. Okay, make it little small. Place it under this. Okay, now duplicate and place it just next to each other. Again duplicate, again duplicate, again. Now select, keep shift selected and select all these 5 stars and group them. Then you can make it larger. You can duplicate the whole thing. Come here and place it here. Duplicate the whole thing. Like this, you can create one customer review session, guys. But one request, please do not give anything which is fake. Okay. Now another thing is blob. Okay, where will you get these blobs? If you want extra blob, give it blob here. Okay, and here in this section you will have to give animated. Okay, then you will get different animated blobs. See all to graphics, you get different animated blobs. If you want to use any one of them, suppose I want this blob to be here. Now select these, go to this position option and go to arrange and backward once. Okay, again this one, select this one and backward. Okay, now select this one, go backwards. Again select this one, go backwards. Okay, looking very different, right? So if you want, you can make it little smaller. Make sure all these blobs are looking similar. Not that one would be looking very vibrant and another one is very pale. Okay, so like this you can create your website. If you want to like put one particular page upwards, go to the, select that page and go to this upward section. Okay, like suppose I want this contact us page downward, so go to downward section. Again further down, so it will be at the bottom. You will have to change the phone number, email ID. Okay, you can give address also. If you want an address bar, again you can go to designs option, and in layout you have something called about us. You can take anything, any layout like that. Okay, and choose as well. If you want to give some graph, okay, everything is possible here, so you can add those as well. Now having with that, I will just add one more link, that is here in VAGPE Media. I want my YouTube link to be given. So again I will right click, I will go to this link option, I will go to my YouTube channel, I will go to this customization option in the left hand side widget, go to customization option, basic info, and from here I will just copy the URL and I will head back to this option, and here I will just paste the URL. Done. To see preview, you go to this preview button, the topmost bar. Now here go to this preview button, let it get uploaded. Okay, now you can preview, you can make it enlarged, you can preview how is it looking like this in laptop, and you can also check the mobile mode. Okay, as I told you, I will teach you how to create responsive website. So in mobile mode also you can see how will it look like. Okay, it's looking super according to me. Do let me know in the comment section how your videos, your website turned out to be. Now time to publish. Go to this publish website option. You can have a custom URL. You can get a new domain as well. If you go to this domain option, you can get a new domain. You can have a free domain from Canva, or else if you have an existing domain, you can even attach that. If you don't have it, you can go to this Canva domain and continue. After all this, you can go and click on this publish button. want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.